over there, and there's what looks to be another barge over there coming out from the side there, or maybe she's just parked over there. And the view over here, over this side over here. You know, I'm a little nervous here, standing on this thing. You know, so this is the nature trail from the other side here. Where the heck did that dog come from? Here's the other nature trail here. We'll walk back here and see what we can see here. And this goes right along on the other side of the paved, the paved one. And it's a fairly uncluttered, one. You'd think that eventually it would get some overgrowth, but I guess it gets enough traffic to where it doesn't get overgrown a lot. Or it's got some trees, rotting trees there, and that, and I'm sure there's some maintenance done on this at some time throughout the year to keep the trail at least clean of falling branches and that, so on, which is good. I mean, that's up to the city to do that. Of course, there may be some volunteer work done, but I don't know how that works. I never really looked into it, so, but it's a nice little green area that that we have back in here. It's pretty good. It's nice coverage and that. Like I said, I always figured people would rather, watch, look at the scenery as you're vlogging and that, as opposed to somebody just, looking at your face. Of course, I'll do some other vlogs and that with, I'm looking into the camera and that, but here at least you get something different to look at, and like I said, there's the other side of the river there when I was, and that, and we got a barge over here that's, that is coming through over here. Oh, we got some good barge traffic over here. And that. Watch my step here. There's a big old thing. There's our view of that